5 back here in the Philippines. Just starting my breakfast. Yeah, I made a lovely breakfast. So this is the bread. This is the sourdough bread that we bought yesterday. Nice toppings, some cheese melted on top, and some tomato. This is my yogurt with manga. Wow, I love manga. Try this one first. Cheers.
Enjoy your breakfast.
Thank you.
Sa akin, no? Yung pichi-pichi na bili ko. Tapos kunting bread at ano yun siya? Empanada with tea. How's your staying? How's your holiday? It's not really holiday because it's our second home. No?
Yeah, that's true.
So,
But it still feels like holiday.
yeah. You sleep well today?
I did. Yes.
You feel better now? Kasi sinipon siya. Naulanan kasi siya the other day.
Yeah, I think I caught a bit of a cold.
Yeah.
It's improving.
Yeah. That's good.
Not fully there, but
April is driving
Yeah.
because I don't really like to drive. I need to get used to it, no? If I don't have choice, then I need to drive. So, passenger tayo today. Tingnan nyo yung buko. Nagano yung buko ba? Nagputol-putol. So, ano man yun, no? Nagtubo na yung buko ba? Last time, very maikli yung pag-cut. Ngayon, nagtubo na siya. So, papunta kami ngayon ng City Hall. Ulan na naman. Hapon na dito, 4 p.m. Ito kami City Hall. City Hall, Lapu-Lapu.
limited space here.
Yeah. So,
I got some space there.
Mami, basta na kayo makita pa rin na.
Oh, but inside there. Oh, it's
ayaw ni Sik magpayong. Sinipon siya. Hala siya. Punta kami ng Mactan, New Town na naman. With my darling. Nandito ako sa Akas. Magbili ako ng shrimp. Si Saki, si Mama din. Tapos, nandun siya sa likod. Kasi pag makita nila si Saki ba, mahal naman yung presyo. Imbis manghangyo ka. So,
Hi, ma'am.
pila ang shrimp ni mo ate?
Hi, ma'am. Dago, supporter lang mo dago.
Ah,
Kare,
340.
grande.
Dago amay.
Tagpila na.
380 ma'am, gina ma'am, 280.
Hmm.
Kilo gimbol niya ma'am. Kaya ma'am,
350 lang dong.
70 lang mama.
Yan na dong. Tanaw sa ko.
Ma'am, na 280 ma'am yun. Ma'am, 280 per kilo.
Ma'am, 280 na daw mo?
Kato to 80.
Ko, 380 large.
Ah. Salamat. Daming tao. Bili ako ng isda dito sa binibili ko. Naka-yellow pen ate? Yellow pen ate?
Pila ka bok ng dahil.
Tagpilang kilo ate?
Eka, cheese bag. 40 mo.
Ang ganda na isda ni ate. Dito kami bumibili lang. Sa Mactan, New Town, kaya magpunta kami doon, mag-inquire kami. Kwento ko sa inyo. Ano yung inquire namin?
Hindi na po doon, tapi ano mo?
Ikaw, maritis ka. Ay, sig, apil-apil good pag maritis. Kay bata pa ka, di ka magmaritis. Ha? Nung pumunta kami last time, madilim yun. Ngayon, maano na maaraw. Ayan.
Tayo ba?
Walang magpaita si Kyrie. Gusto niya yung Greek yogurt. Lagi na nga building, day. Saan na diha? Nice building, pumpkin. Undercamp.
Yeah.
Yeah. Very neat.
It would be nice if you have like
Condo here.
an apartment here or a condo.
Yeah, you can rent it out. Now, we'll buy tomorrow.
Mami, awa.
We'll just go up here.
Yeah. Nah, everything go up, man. Everything expensive.
If you want to buy something, you need to buy it new.
Yeah. But we don't have. No. I like the pandesal there.
Si mama.
Yan baho. Ito kami sa Belmont Hotel sa Mactan, New Town. Nag-inquire kami dito. Sa Kyrie. Lakad-lakad muna kami dito sa Mactan, New Town. Tapos na kaming kumain doon. Pumpkin, my darling is not satisfied.
No, it was a bit of a letdown, huh?
Yeah. Me too, I don't like it.
Burger of Gordon Ramsay,
Yeah.
because they have.
Honest review.
Yeah, no, it wasn't really good. And especially the Legend burger.
It's very hard.
Well,
Hard to
yeah,
chew.
But there were also some pieces that you couldn't chew.
Yeah.
And it doesn't belong in a burger, right? Because everything you put on a burger, you need to be able to
Chew with it.
chew it.
Yeah.
And you don't need to have to pick stuff out of it
Yeah.
because you can chew it.
Yeah.
And also the coleslaw,
Yeah.
it was bland.
Yeah. So we had the second times.
It lacked flavor. Yeah, bit of a letdown.
And my darling said mine is better.
You know, honest review.
Yeah, honest review. Tapos hindi siya worth it kasi siyempre pricely. Understand naman no kasi siyempre
But the fish and chips,
he's a big name.
because he's got two joints.
Pero
next
okay
to
lang
each
ka.
other,
Yeah.
Fish and chips was good.
Yeah, it's okay man basta halag mahal basta ano masarap. Tapos ano basta hindi siya masarap para sa amin. Pero iba-iba naman ang taste ng tao. Anyway, people have different taste but my own opinion, I don't like it.
This one, it needs some tweaking.
Yeah.
Or a different chef.
Yeah, para sa amin sa akin, wala. Tapos si Agata din, nasa pan. Tapos si Kyrie din, reklamo siya. Reklamo. So, kasi, honest review daw. So, kumain kami yung sa fish and chip. Okay, satisfied si sa akin sa fish and chip. Pero yung sa burger, hindi. Tapos, may ano sila chicken wings. Maalat siya. Tapos, yun. Tara na mga doon na tayo Robinson ka. Magbayad tag yogurt. Let's go. Para na tayo sweldo. May pa chubi-chubi. Halakay. Yes, sir. What are you looking for?
Try this one.
You try ito.
Pakita na, pakita. This is soy sauce.
So, i-try ni Mr. Oh. Gana restaurant dire. Daming restaurant. Mukhaon na po siya, kaintanaw na po siya. Punta kami ng Robinson kaya bili kami ng yogurt with manga. Can you find it? Yung bilisan ako ng bukado, 250 per kilo. Hindi na ako magbili. Okay. Nami din si... Oh, they have more cheese here. They even have emmental. I think so lekker. May emmental siya dito. Masarap to. Ay, bili ako nito, B. Uy, matagak gay na. Yung Greek yogurt dito eh. Sa Robinson, sa Mactan Newtown, meron sila Greek yogurt style. Pero may authentic Greek yogurt din sila eh. Kaya lang mas mahal. So, yun na yung bilhin namin Greek style yogurt. Yung binibili namin sa Netherlands, yung authentic. Bili din ako nito, oh, pang hamba. Sarap sa bread. Ito. Baho lagi. Barang baho. Espalat Kota. Ang baho ng ano. Pumpkin kay kepok mascarpone. Als ik moet tiramisu maken, heb mascarpone kay for tiramisu. Ik ga hier kopen. En die heeft ook feta en ricotta. May namit na naman tayong subscriber, si Ma'am, taga Germany. Nakalimutan ko yung pangalan niya. Nanood siya ng vlogs namin. Tsaka kay Inday daw. Thank you so much, Ma'am, for watching. Salamat sa support at love. Thank you, Ma'am. Kasama niya yung asawa niya, tsaka anak niya. Thank you, Kai. Ang bait ni Ma'am. Taga ano siya, taga Germany. Oh, pumpkin. Vind je dat lekker? Een beetje dikke vrouw? Okay. Uwi na kami. Punta na kami sa sakyan doon kasi kami nag-park doon sa may Belmont Hotel. Na kami.